All drain clogs are not the household variety type. When you get a bear of a clog, you have to bring out the big gun. Goodway's Pulse Jetter 1400 is all about firepower. The thermal protected 1 horsepower motor and a triplex pump provide a double-barreled arsenal you can't do without. A trio of specialized nozzles delivers just the right finesse for the situation. And if that's not enough, accessories are available to convert the Pulse Jetter to an equally noteworthy pressure washer. Goodway's versatile Pulse Jetter 1400 is fully loaded to blast away any bear of a clog.